to the streets, the police, no justice, no. Y'all see that melanin? Look, stop playing with me, okay? Okay, what's up, y'all? It's Theyluvnana. If you didn't know, now you know. Welcome to my video, okay? Period. Okay, so welcome to episode 1 of Entrepreneur Life. Yes, I'm really doing this. I'm gonna be more consistent. I'm sorry that I haven't been consistent. It's been a lot. I've been doing protests. I've been doing stuff for college, getting ready for college. I've been getting ready for graduation. But I've been doing a lot of stuff, so I haven't really had time to actually make a video. But y'all, I'm gonna get consistent. I swear to God, like on everything, I'm gonna drop videos every single week, like more than one video every single week. I'm trying to do Tuesdays and Fridays, and I know when you see this video, it's not gonna be on the Tuesday or Friday, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. Right now, I'm gonna just drop as I can until I get like used to it and all of that stuff. And until then, you guys get a video when you get a video. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to do better, y'all. I promise. I'm gonna try to do better, y'all. I swear to God. So today I'm doing my unboxing video for my business. Okay, y'all. I am back. I had to get a band-aid. Because I cut myself. I think it's like a paper cut, but it took off a lot of skin and it burns. So that's that, y'all. That's that. Okay, that's the tea. But anyways, let's get into this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I'm gonna give you some time so you can subscribe. Go ahead. Go ahead, subscribe. Like, why are you playing with me? I just don't understand. Like, you're really trying it. It's cool, because I ain't even tripping. Like, I'm a whole thug out here. Let me put my hair up because I know it's gonna irritate me. All right, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the things that are already open first. I'm gonna tell y'all where I got it, and I'm gonna leave the price on the screen. And yeah, so the first package, I opened this the first day. Okay, I got like 10 packages. I opened this the first day because I didn't know what it was. I was feeling it. I was like, I don't remember buying this. I don't know what this is. But this is cosmetic grade mica powder, and I got this from Amazon. It's SKOGFE. SKOGFE. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, but basically it's the mica powders, like to make your lip gloss a different color or whatever the case may be. So like all of these different colors, I think it's 36 different colors. 33, 34, 35. Okay, so 36, yes. It comes with 36 different mica powders, and it was really cheap. It was like, I don't even think it was like it wasn't more than $20. I know with that much. And it's pretty reasonable size. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff. They come in these nice baggies. None of it was spilled. And it comes with these 3 spoons. 36 3 spoons. For whatever price it was. I don't believe the price was that. So yeah, y'all, that's that. So package number 2 is also open, and I opened this one because I needed to know how they look, because I already returned one. I already returned something, and basically what this is, it's beads and elastic string for waist beads and infants. And I know this was like $16.99 or something like that, because it was cheaper than the first one I got, which was like 19 something. But the first one I got, they were way too small. But these, they come in little packages. I think it's like 12,000 beads or something like that, and 24 colors, 12,000 beads. And then it comes with these 2, comes with black and clear elastic string. And yeah, it was like $16 or something like that. But those are for waist beads. So next was this. If y'all could see, I took this Sharpie and I crossed out my address. Yeah, it's coming because I was watching unboxing videos and a lot of people did not cross out their address. Like, honey, I know where you live. That's not safe. But so yeah, I didn't know what this was for the longest. When it came, I'm like, I don't even know what that is. But I remembered, okay, so there's always like free choices. Y'all over here spending so much money on this stuff. And I really only got this because my mailers on Amazon were out of stock. So I went on USPS, I think it was either USPS or USPS.com, and I got some free mailers. You can get up to 50, but I only got 5 just so I could see if it worked. And this is how they come. Like, they're just regular old mailers. Like, ain't nothing special about them. They regular old mailers. You would have to get bubble wrap to put in here if you have anything like fragile or anything like that. You'd have to get bubble wrap, which you can get from the dollar store. So yeah, I got 5 of them because I didn't really think I was gonna need them right now, but I might use them because they're free. They're free. And if you got a lot of people in your house, it's 50 per person. You can only get 10 orders of 5, and it came in like a week. And yeah, this is probably like one of the longest like packages because I just got this like the day before yesterday. So it came in a week. So if you go start your business, get this first because yeah, it was free. So you can't really go wrong with it. Shipping was free. Everything about it was free, 150%. You can go pick it up, or they deliver it, and they delivered it. The delivery was free, and yeah. So the next thing is from Amazon. I kind of already know what this is because I can like tell by how things feel, and I kind of remember some of the things that I bought. So, oh yeah, everything I'm doing is from home. I'm doing everything from home. I'm shipping from home. I'm doing all of that because it's Corona time. Who has time to go outside the house to ship some orders? Not me, okay? So what this is shipping labels. This is shipping labels. It's 200 labels, 100 sheets. So it's 200 half sheet labels. What you do is, if you have a printer, because I have a printer in my room, you have a printer, you put that thing on there, you put that thing where the paper go, and it prints it on here. You peel that John off, slap it on that package, okay? Slap it on that package. Slap it on that package, okay? Slap it on that package. Okay, so I got 200 shipping labels. This was really cheap. It was the cheapest one. They'll try to, like, when you search up shipping labels on Amazon, they'll try to give you the one that's literally like, it's a certain brand, and it's mad expensive. It's like $30 or something like that. Do not get that unless you balling like that and you want to get that. This is literally the same thing. So do not go. Y'all need to look for the prices. Unless y'all got money like that, look for the prices, okay? Look for the prices, okay? So yeah, next we have, I don't know why they was numbering my packages. Like, some of them have numbers, some of them don't. Like, I think it's, and I don't know why they came in all these different boxes because I literally ordered almost everything. I literally ordered almost everything the same day. So I'm confused. And then Amazon be playing. Like, look at this. They got one little thing in this big old box with all this bread. Look at this.
Really, nigga?
Only thing in the box. Like, I don't know what this is, y'all, but the ghetto. This is flavoring oils like pineapple. Y'all know I love my pineapple. And yeah, I think it's 16. Let me see, 3, 6, 9. Oh no, it's 12. So 12 different flavoring oils. I think it was like 12 something. It's 12 of them. They usually came in a box. I don't know why they didn't come in a box, so I'm gonna put them right back in this box. They're glass. They're really small, but like I said before, it goes a long way. The expiration is February 2023. I'm pretty sure I'll use all of those before 2023 because it is 2020. So we'll see. All right, so The next one is
Okay.
the next one is this definitely doesn't look like what I ordered. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so the next one is packaging, not like shipping packaging, but like packaging to put my stuff in. I think it's 200. It's a lot. I think it was 200 packaging, but I got these, and they came in different sizes. I don't remember the price, but so big, medium, and then small. Okay, so they give you all of these, and it was pretty cheap. Everything I got was pretty cheap. Like everything I got was like under $20 because who's balling like that? Not me. Not me. So yeah. Yeah, they really, I didn't think it was gonna be this color. I think I chose pink, but they sent me this color anyway. But we're not gonna talk about that right now. We're not gonna talk about that because Amazon be slacking. Okay, they hiring anybody right now, so Amazon is slacking. But we ain't gonna talk about that. Alright, y'all? We're not gonna talk about that. So that's that. That is that. This is from Sana. Your address, honey, your address. Okay, my bad. Alright, y'all, so this is from TKB Trading. It says it on the package, first class. This I chose the longest shipping, and on their website it says it's 2 week processing, but mine was shipped really quick. Like I got mine in a week. I got it like it processed and shipped within a week. Like I ordered it on like the 16th, and today's like the 19th. Today's the 20th. I think I ordered it on like the 15th. I don't remember when I ordered it. I'm gonna put it on the screen. But this is the lip gloss base from TKB Trading. This is the 5.5 ounce lip gloss base. It came super quick. I think it's because that's the only thing I got from TKB Trading. I just wanted to I wanted to know which one was better. I got a bigger one of the other one because I've seen a lot of videos saying that one was better than TKB, and a lot of people are ordering TKB and this and that. But I feel like since a lot of people are doing that one, TKB is probably gonna like lower their prices again. And TKB was actually, this was actually way cheaper than the big one. Well, way cheaper than the other one because of shipping. TKB's Trading's shipping is cheaper than the other shipping. So it's kind of like it evens out the price, even though the price of the other one was cheaper than the TKB one. TKB ended up being cheaper because of how much the shipping was. So keep that in mind. Alright, y'all. So the next thing, but yeah, that was from TKB. And yeah, so the next thing is from Amazon. Mostly everything is from Amazon. I'm gonna be getting everything on Amazon because I just bought this Prime. I just paid $50 on Prime, so I'm just get what I can out of it. They didn't put no packages in, no bubble wrap in here. Amazon be trying that. But this is grapeseed oil. It's really self-explanatory. You need oils for your lip glosses and stuff. So this is one of, I have coconut oil in my room. I actually didn't order that. My mama gave me that. She bought me it. I have a big old thing of pure coconut oil, so I'm gonna be using coconut oil, grapeseed oil. I bought more oils, but I don't know where they at. Cause I have castor oil. I also bought vitamin E oil off of Wish, and it was like $5, but it was super tiny. But I'm gonna be using that because you only need so much. You know, when you're mixing up all of these oils together, you only need so much. So, yeah. So that's that. Good. I already know what this is because I can feel it in by the size. I know for a fact this is $19.99. Like nothing I bought was over $20. Yeah, nothing I bought singled out to be only $20. So this is point one. Let's step away from it. So what this is my scale. Like I said, I'm doing everything from home. Let me open this. So I bought I bought a scale so I can weigh my packages so I can know how much shipping will be. So it comes with 2 AAA batteries. I actually just bought some AAA batteries. I didn't even know this needed AAA batteries, but it also comes with a cord. So I'm really confused on why it needs AAA batteries if it comes with a charging cord, but you know. Oh. So there's another AAA battery in here. I don't know. That was weird. So yeah. It comes all bubble wrapped up, so hopefully me dropping it a couple times didn't break it. It looks nice, y'all. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look. I'm really an entrepreneur now. Like, what? How does this even work? Please remove the cardboard under scale for weighing. Oh, there's a whole, like, what you're falling under here. And then you, like, oh, snap. Oh. So it opens up. I don't really know how to use this yet, y'all, but, oh, directions. This is what it's called. I don't actually know what it's called, but that's what the symbol looks like. So yeah, that's that, y'all. This was $19.99, and I know it was $19.99 because there was a cheaper one. Okay, there was a cheaper one that I was gonna get it, but then I'm like, when it comes to like scales and stuff, you don't really want to get the cheaper one. But I didn't want to get the most expensive one. The most expensive one, it was like $100 and something, and I was like, don't need that. And it was super big. I did not need a big scale. I just needed something small for right now. Like, I'm about to go to college, something I can move into my dorm easy. Like, you know, I know y'all just seen that light switch. I know y'all just seen it, but we're not gonna talk about that because we're just not gonna talk about it. So yeah, y'all, that's that. I'm trying to like put everything back away as I do this because it's mad late. It's like 11 o'clock. It's like 11 p.m. right now. And I don't want to be in here just packing stuff up. So the next thing from Amazon, of course, I really did not shop from a lot of other places, but Amazon, I put everything in my Amazon cart. Water that. Well, I think I did 2 big Amazon carts. Like, I bought one thing, everything came, and I bought everything else. Like, so yeah, so of course. Okay, so here is my, so I got vegetable glycerin. It's really good for skincare, and stuff like that. So I got that. It says softens and moisturizes multi-purposes. So it's really, they use this in lip gloss base. So I was thinking about making my own lip gloss base, but you can actually put it in lip gloss even if you have a lip gloss base. So yeah, I got vegetable glycerin from Now Solutions. All my oils come from Now Solutions, except for my vitamin E oil and it's pure vitamin E oil. Make sure it's pure vitamin E oil, and my pure coconut oil. Those came from like other places, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's pure. And then syringes. Yes, baby. Catheter tips, syringes. So they all come with tops on them. I think it's 4 in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 5. It's a 5-piece. It says it on the package now. It's a 5-piece pack of regular syringes. I'm gonna show y'all through the package because I just don't really care about opening it right now. So yeah, I think these are 60mm syringes. Yeah, 60mm syringes. Okay, so the last Amazon package, I think. So So the last Amazon package I got was this one. And I'm actually missing some stuff, so I'm kind of confused where it would be. It's not in here. It's probably somewhere in my room, because I was just throwing packages in my room because there was too many. And I know if I didn't just like throw it somewhere, I was gonna open it, and I didn't want to open them because I'm watching videos. Duh. So, oh, okay, so here's everything I was missing. Funny. So this is my castor oil, Now Solutions castor oil. And yeah, that's really self-explanatory. 100% pure. That's all the stuff you need. And so then I got 100 pipettes. Okay, with the whole pipettes thing, I actually bought 200 pipettes on accident. I only meant to buy 100 pipettes because we only need so many pipettes. This is the thing that goes on the end of the syringe when you're making your lip gloss. So, I actually bought 200 on accident, so I returned the packages because I didn't need it. This is like $5 and some cents. I want to remember this because they refunded me my money. So yeah, the pipettes were like $5 and some cents. So next is the lip gloss tubes. It's 22 tubes. This was like a little package thing. It was 22 tubes, a syringe, 2 syringes. Yeah, so, oh, 3 syringes. 3 syringes and 22 lip gloss tubes. These are 10 milliliters. Lip gloss tubes, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, 10 milliliters. Lip gloss tubes. Let me take one out. And yeah, it's pretty, I'm starting to do this. Like, I'm really about to do this. And I really didn't need to buy pipettes. I mean, syringes, but when the reviews for this, they were like, oh, the syringes look weird, but these syringes look normal. So, but they're only 20 milliliters. But you only need so much because these are 10 milliliter tubes, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. But I don't think I needed to buy the syringes, so. But I did anyway. You can never go wrong with too many syringes at the end of the day. So then the last thing in here is, oh, this is glitters. 24 color real fine glitter. Make sure the glitter that you get is for your skin. Because it could cause people to break out, have allergic reactions, yada this, yada that, and you don't want to get sued. So make sure you're getting the right stuff. This was, it's being difficult. I don't know why it doesn't want to open. But, there we go. So this is how they look. They're actually super nice. Glitter goes a long way, y'all. And glitter takes like forever to get off your clothes. Like, it's already on my hands right now. So I'm not gonna actually open this box because I can see that a lot of the glitter spilled out. Not like a lot, but it's like you could tell that there's glitter in there. So that's that. I have gloves in my room. You actually need to buy gloves. Make sure you have gloves. I have mask, gloves, all of that in my room. Get that from the dollar store. Yeah, so the last things I got, don't mind what's in here because that's just stuff for my graduation cap, because I've been decorating people's graduation caps. But I got this tube to like put something in. I don't know, but I got this from the dollar store. Everything I'm about to show y'all I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, not Dollar General, not Family Dollar, because they were trying to play. Dollar Tree. And yes, so I got gum. Anyway, so I got these bowls. It's 4 bowls. So I can put the lip gloss stuff in, mix all my ingredients in here, chef it up. You feel me? Chef it up. 4 bowls. A lot of people get either plastic bowls or foam bowls, and I didn't want to get foam bowls because why get 100 bowls that you have to throw away when you could just get bowls that you can clean? Save your money, sis. Because after so long, you have to buy more. But with those, you wash them, they really last forever. And so then I also got this. I don't know why I got the same one as literally everyone else who makes lip gloss, but it just seemed like, y'all know I be chefing it up in the kitchen all the time. So this ain't finna be, it's not finna be nothing. I already got people like, oh, I want to be your first customer. Everybody cannot be my first customer. So like, yeah. So I got these measuring spoons. I don't really know why, because if you know me, you know I don't really measure anything out. But with lip gloss, you know, you gotta keep the same consistency. You don't want like one thing to be like this and the other thing to be like that, you know. So yeah. Also from the dollar store, I got these. I only got these because they were from the dollar store. And it comes with 8. It's little pouches, little cute little pink pouches. I actually bought these before I bought my other packaging. I'm gonna use my other packaging, but like I guess I can use these like for something. I don't really know what yet, but you know, it doesn't really matter. I can use it for something. So next I got this bowl. I got this bowl because you need to make sure you wash your syringes. You need to wash your lip gloss tubes and all of that. So I got a big bowl so I can like wash that stuff in there. I got this from the dollar store for literally $1. I should have got pink, but I got blue. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything I got. I also got like I said, I got another big thing of Versagel coming. So when that comes in, then I'm gonna make my lip gloss. I don't really want to use the TKB right now. I want to do like a TKB versus Voyager soap, candle and soap, or soap and candle, or whatever it's called. So yeah, y'all, that's the end of this video. I spent about like $300. I don't know. I'm gonna put the calculations here. I was gonna do the calculations before I did this video, but I'm like, I'm lazy, so let's not. So yeah, I spent like $300 altogether. It probably wasn't even 300. It was probably like 2 something. And yeah, like that's really all I got out of it. All right, y'all, so that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the other episodes because it's really gonna get real and it's gonna get serious and it's gonna be about to be in that money, y'all. I'm about to be in that money. I cannot wait. Y'all don't understand, everything I do is for money, like honestly, because I just want to be successful. Like I'm really gonna be successful. I'm gonna do everything I can possibly to be successful. Like if I can make money from it, most likely I'm doing it, or I know how to do it. And yeah, so I'm gonna just keep grinding, keep going. Stay tuned. I'm really gonna be serious on this whole YouTube thing. I'm actually, as soon as I have this video edited, I'm gonna make another video and another video and another video. I'm gonna have it edited back to back so I can drop them back to back. My phone only has so much space. I'm already paying for extra storage. I don't know where all the space is going. Like I just don't. They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. This is what.